operations, helping transform the way goods and people move between Mombasa and Naivasha. So far, 5.36 million passengers have used the Madaraka Express service, which is more than 1/10 of Kenya's population, while 1.31 million 20-foot equivalent units of goods transported by the SGR freight system.
On May 31st, 2017, the standard gauge railway inter-county passenger service made its official maiden trip from Mombasa to Nairobi, greeted by cheers at every stop. The SGR has had a transformative effect in broadening transportation links and accelerating economic development in Kenya and neighboring countries. As of Monday, the SGR, being in safe operations for 1,462 days, has transported more than 5.36 million passengers, which is equivalent to 1/10 of the population of Kenya. The railway has eased road traffic congestion and provided a fast and reliable means of transport between Mombasa and Naivasha via Nairobi. Harrison Kenyanjui, an assistant superintendent at the dispatching center, says running the operations of a train has been life-changing.
My team and I are the ones who command the train operations straight from the departure station or across the stations. We command in terms of what train will depart, at what time will a train depart, will go and stop in which station, stop particularly in what track, stop for how long, then depart at what time, excuse which train to pass. Why should we excuse this train to pass and not the other one? So we are the brainwork that does the train operation command.
Train, it's almost full every time, no? So many people like it, we like it, and we travel in it, and we feel comfortable, and it keeps time.
Very organized, very clean, very good experience. Yeah, we enjoyed it very much, and the scenery is beautiful.
Locomotive driver David Kimani Gitondo has also enjoyed his own journey of development during the last 4.5 years.
I've gone through that process of being an assistant driver, and now I'm a qualified locomotive driver. And my first driver locomotive was in 2017. 2017, that was the first time that I did the driving of locomotive from Mombasa to Nairobi. Then I began driving the shunting locomotive. That is when I became the team leader for the shunting team.
Titus Kiprop, the deputy superintendent for the Nairobi Workshop Track and Signal Department, is another who takes great pride in his role.
When I see containers being loaded and transported to Mombasa and they're shipped, I feel so proud because this is the line. This is the line I do maintenance each and every day, and I'm really happy because the line had not been maintained as it's supposed to be. Then this process going on here would not have happened.
For freight services, there have been an average of 8 to 14 freight trains on the move each day. So far, more than 1.31 million 20-foot equivalent units of goods have been transported by the SGR freight system.
Contribution in terms to GDP of the country, that SGR are contributing not less than 2% currently as we look at the dynamics and the growth of our economy. And as well as this growth being elevated to the region. So the regional economics are also growing. We are looking at a population of 200 million people.
Before COVID disruptions, there were 3 daily passenger train services between Mombasa and Nairobi, an early morning inter-county train, afternoon express train, and a night train.